In one of my previous videos where I showed you how you can be able to get CapCut Pro for free, people asked me two questions, which were, how did you put the video on the phone, brother? Which app did you use? That is how I got to put the screenshot video on the mobile phone in the video. And then the second one was, what did you use to screen record? Another phone or? Now, as at this video, I am entitled to just one phone. And yes, because of this video, I had to get another phone to shoot this video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I got to put my screen record on a phone, so it will look more like it was an actual phone that was used to do the phone. And yes, you can be able to do it on any mobile phone, be it your Android phone. And another thing is, we are going to be using the CapCut app. Now let's head down into it. First of all, what you do is you're going to go to your phone and you're going to do a screen record of your screen, of whatever you want to screen record. Let's take, for example, my camera roll. I'll open my camera roll and I will screen record everything that was there. That is to swipe up. Now, where all the magic happens is on the editing software. Now, you can be able to easily achieve this effect on your smartphone, on your mobile phone. And also, you can be able to achieve this also on your laptop PC. And to round this all up, the same way I'm going to be doing it on a smartphone is still the same way I do it while editing on a desktop. Yes, I edit my videos on a desktop. Let's get right into how to edit it. Now, what you do is you head over to your CapCut on your mobile phone or on your desktop. But as of this one, I'm going to be using my mobile phone. You import the video as a new project, then you search for stickers. When you click on stickers, you have to find the mobile phone frame. When you see the mobile phone frame, you click on it. Then you now adjust it to fit the actual screen that you've already pre-screen recorded. Like this. And voila, that is it. When you do it and it has suited your taste, you click on good. Then you click on the main video and you adjust it to fit into the phone so that it would not have sharp edges and sharp cuts. Adjust it to fit well. Then click on the mobile phone frame and increase it till you get to the end of the video. And yes, when you play your video, you will see that your video has been put into the mobile phone frame. And yes, this is it. So now, the exact same way you edit it on your mobile phone is still the same way you are going to edit it on a PC. Yes, no difference. I hope this video helped, and yes, I'll see you in my next video. Do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything you need to ask, do well to put it on the comment section, and I'll not hesitate to reply to your comment. You can also do well to check out all the interesting videos that I have put on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.